What's going on, guys? On today's episode, I guess you want to call it, I'm going to be replacing my brake lines. I think I'm only going to be replacing the front right now. I mean, as you can see, the car is actually shifted to the passenger side because the trailer's on a slant, so it's kind of hard. But I'm definitely going to do this driver's side front right now. And show you guys what I have right now. The back brake line blew out. I've had these brake lines for a long time. So I hit up Finishing Lines. I'll post up their Instagram right below, and I'll show you the process on how easy it is to take mine off and installing my brand new black Finishing Line brake lines. Hey guys, so as you can see, I got my two 10s right here. I believe that's a 12 right there, and then you're gonna have to actually loosen up the 10 anodized blue up there, and there's actually a little prong piece right up there. You have to pull that out with like a flathead. So brake line is all out finally. It took me a few minutes, guys, but make sure that when you are doing this, have a pail underneath, okay, and get all the brake fluid into that pan, whatever you have, a bowl, pan, whatever, because it will be a mess. A lot of it did leak out of there, so I kind of went back and forth from it dripping, this and that. But that being said, right here is Finishing Lines, www.finishinglines.com. I did order for a DA actually, because this is Integra front, spindles, and I got CRX rears, but it's the same for the rear. It's fine. It's not drum in the back, obviously. So they give you the clips, they give you all the O-rings. Obviously, remember, you use one in the front of the banjo fitting and on the back of the banjo fitting where the bolt goes through. Then you have all your lines. So now I can actually at least install one of them right now. Alright guys, so the Finishing Line brake line is all installed. Okay, make sure you do put that in on the right way, because there's actually a flat side and like a hollow side. It's kind of hard to explain. Actually, I'll show you in one of these other ones. Okay, so you see how like there's an edge on the opposite side of this, right? I'm assuming that you put that on the flat side, meaning that goes onto the rotor. So that one side is right here. Don't mind the little rust on the calipers. And the opposite side is where the bolt goes through. So it's all installed. Obviously, I gotta leave it all like this. The transmission's out, so I figured I'd just do this side first, and I think this is the only side I can really do. Those fittings up there, I did put Honda Bond on, very minimum though, just so it gets a good seal, guaranteed a good seal. I tightened it all. What's great about this Finishing Line kit also, it comes, like I said, with the copper rings and the actual hangers to hold the cable in. Please use new copper rings that they supply to you. It's the reason why they gave it to you. So that being said, I'm all done on this side. I really just have to wait till I get the transmission back from my boy Mike, so I could install all this. So I'm gonna leave it just like this. The back side I can't get to because I can't jack up the back of the car, because I have all my jacks dedicated on this side actually, and my jack stand. So I'm gonna have to wait till I do the transmission. Guys, if you do want to get new brake lines, something affordable, something in, I think they have a few different colors that you could actually choose from. Actually, different options. Check out their website, finishinglines.com. Check out their Instagram, same thing, Finishing Lines. Great people to talk to. I'm all about customer service. That's why I'm with the companies that I'm with, meaning in the way of like, that's the reason why they grab me. Product is one thing, but then customer service is a total different thing. I don't care who you are, what company you own, etc. If you're an asshole to me, I'm not buying the product. That's it. So Finishing Lines, hit them up, Instagram message. Definitely hit them up, and be sure to ask them any questions that you have. So I will do the rest a little later on. But good luck with getting your brand new brake lines, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.